And all right. They just got here. You heard me? Dad hooked up. It's a big one. Woo.
Barely had him move.
Dang.
You see what I did?
What?
Threw it over there. As soon as it hit the water, boom, we jumped on it.
You guys got a little baby on right here. Little guy. A brush hog. Big teeth. Wild one. There you go. Got a small little baby. On back. Here he goes. It's my first fish of the day. Not very big. I threw it all the way back there. Hey guys, so I've only caught in one so far. My dad caught like 5. Right now I'm using this Zoom Bait Lizard Texas rig.
That's it.
And all right. They just got here. You heard me?
I left mine over there. Oh yeah, it's all shallow. I mean, it's all
Yeah.
I mean, anything's nicer than what we've been catching right now.
He swallowed it.
Alright, we'll just... No, he didn't. Oh, yeah. Damn, he swallowed the fuck out of that one.
I was trying to get my bait
Well,
caster.
look how skinny it is, though. No, it's pretty thick.
Well, let's get the release. Wait. Oh, there we go. He's not dead.
Where'd he go? Oh, gosh. There's 2 fish in here.
Just got this little guy. This one didn't swallow it. You don't have to be quiet.
Josh, sweetie, time for dinner.
We're outside.
Oh.
We just caught dinner.
This one's too small for dinner. It's too muddy.
We don't eat the outside.
No, I'm saying it's too muddy. Alright, I can't get him out. Hold up, little dude. So right now what I'm using is this blue and brown brush hog. I've caught in 2 so far. And guys, I just threw all the way back there. Right when it hit the water.
You rode it NT time.
Yeah, I know.
You probably had them on there, though. Because they didn't even know you had NT. They started reeling them in. That's about
Little
as big
baby.
as how long ago they're tiny now.
There you go. I'll throw back there again, see if I can get another one. Yes. So I'm walking over to this golf course spawn. Over there. I'm gonna use the buzz bait. See if we'll get something. Get this buzz bait bite going. Dad's over there already fishing. Dad hooks up with a little perch.
Bluegill.
Oh, bluegill. Oh, sorry.